Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to turn off hearing aid support in Samsung Galaxy Z Fold5. To look for our hearing aid support options, we have to go to settings first. Then we are looking for accessibility options. And we have hearing enhancements menu. And right here, as you can see, hearing aid support. So what does it do? Adjust your phone audio so it works better with hearing aids. To turn it off, we simply uncheck this box and we can back out from this menu. No need to save. Our hearing aid support is now turned off. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.